Alright, everybody, so welcome back to the first of my tutorials. So, today I will be showing you guys how to do a member count voice channel with your bot. This is rather simple if you follow this tutorial. If you don't know any JavaScript, then this is a good tutorial because I will be giving you the information that you need to do this. So you're basically going to start by going to your events category. This is obviously my test bot where I do random stuff. Yeah. So it's actually being hosted right now, but I think that won't be a problem. So we're going to just click create new event. Obviously you may already have events, but you're just going to create a new one. You're going to just name it whatever you want. I suggest naming it member join. Alright, and then you're just going to see this event triggers, and you're going to click none. And then you're going to want to set an event trigger, so we're going to actually click member join server. Okay, so the first thing that we actually want to do is we want to create a run script action. So scroll down to other stuff, and I believe you will need mods for this, so I will link that in the description, but let's just go to run script. So you don't need to mess with anything down here. You will need to store it in something, but that's something for later. If it doesn't look like this, that means you probably don't have mods, so it'll probably look something like this. But it looks like this because I have modifications installed, and again, that will be linked in the description. So, just, I will put this in the description as well, but, you're going to type let, and then you can literally type anything here. I'm just going to type s equal bot.guilds.get, and then a parenthesis, and then a colon. And now, in here, you're going to simply put the server ID, or the guild ID, however you want to say it. So the way you do that is, let me go to my Discord. So here's my Discord, and then if you see on the server, on the left hand over here, if you just simply right click it, and then scroll all the way down to copy ID. And you will need to go into user settings, and you'll need to go to, where is it, appearance, I believe. And then you'll need to select developer mode, and that needs to be on in order for you to copy the ID. So once you have right-clicked the server, copy ID, you can just go back to your run script, and then in here, just paste your ID, and it should end with a parenthesis. Okay, so now we're just going to add a semicolon, and then enter, and then so we've now S is now bot.guilds.get, and then our guild. So we're just going to type s dot member, and then make sure you capitalize the C, count, member count. Okay, the C needs to be capitalized because that is how discord.js is written in. Okay, I didn't make it. So we're going to store this in a time variable. We can just, variable type can be number. If you don't have that option, don't worry, that doesn't really matter at all. Just leave that alone if you don't have that option. If you do, you can just put it as number. And then for the variable name, we'll just name it member count. You can name it anything. I suggest member count, just so you know. Alright, so that is our run script. So now we have stored it in a temp variable, and now we're going to find the voice channel that we actually want to have that member count at. So we're going to go to channel control, find channel. Actually, no, it should be find voice channel. There it is, find voice channel. Source field, it doesn't really matter what you use. I suggest voice channel ID since it's the easiest, to be honest, or voice channel name, but I'll just do the ID. So voice channel ID, again, we're going to go back to our Discord, and then over here you see I have my voice channel, so we're just going to right click my voice channel and click copy ID. And then we will put that as the search value, and then store this in a temp variable, and we'll just name it voice channel, just like that. And we'll create the action. So now we have found our voice channel, and now we're actually going to edit the channel. So again, we're going to go to channel control, edit channel. Source channel will be a temp variable, and it will be the voice channel. The channel type will be a voice channel, obviously. And then we are changing the name. So we're going to change it to, really can be whatever you want. So I will just change it to member count space, and then you will have to insert your temp variable from the run script. So that member count temp variable. Then just click create action. And that is it. But the thing is, we also have to account for the people that leave the server. So this is actually quite simple. You're just going to go over here, and you do need beta in order to do this. You're going to right click member join, and you're going to click clone event. Now, I suggest editing this name to member leave, because this is now the action where the member leaves, and the event trigger is going to change from member join server to member leave server. And this is actually not going to be changed at all. Like, we only needed to change these two things, so we're just going to leave that. So once you have successfully done this, just save your work, very important. Go to projects, and then you just run the project. So in a minute here, it should say bot is ready, and in the meantime, I have my alternate account on Discord that I will actually be using for this. So I'm simply going to just join with my alternate account. So let's see. So I actually just left with my alt account, and since the bot just said it was ready, let me just edit that name. Okay, so remember that my voice channel is named my voice channel. So let's just go over here. So as you can see, it says my voice channel. So now I'm simply going to create an invite just for myself. Alright, and then I'm going to join and watch that voice channel. It changed to member count 17. And don't worry about this, that is just my test bot being weird. Do not worry about that. Okay, so now that we have done that, let's just test when it leaves. So I'm just going to leave on my alternate account, and I've now left, and the member count has gone back to 16. And so that is how you do the member count. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you want me to make another video, if you need help with something, just let me know in the comments below, and I will try and help you. You should also join the Discord Bot Maker Discord server. I do recommend that for support. And if you need specific support with this video, I will leave a link to the forum post. There is a tutorial on the Discord Bot Maker forums as well, so don't hesitate to ask there. Again, guys, thanks for watching. Leave a like on the video and possibly subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.